Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide mini is Grayson from the Undead or Alive Dead West set. He was black and white Zenithal primed and gets started with burnt umber for all of his leather clothing parts. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I went over his face with Dwarven skin. For his hair and shirt, I went with an Offwhite from AK Interactive. His waistcoat and gloves get a once over with light brown. The remaining leather parts all get done with British Khaki. To start harnessing up the dark leather, I used Ancient Forest. This is going over all of the raised folds and some of the flat areas that are facing upwards. As with all of my Zombicide minis at the moment, I use Plague Brown for the base, as well as a highlight for those British Khaki parts. For a bit of a weird choice, I used Rust Orange for the waistcoat and gloves highlight. This is more of a reversed highlight though, as the light brown is much brighter than the orange, but this just knocks it down a bit closer to the artwork. The final highlight for the dark leather is Dust Bowl, going over all of the edges and the very tips of the folds. Moving on to the metal parts, I used plate armor for all of those silver parts. There are a few gold bits on this mini and these get done with AK Interactive's gold. To wash the mini, I went over everything with a wash of Archaic Sepia wash. The wash tinted all of the white too much for my liking, so I came back in with Offwhite and just brought up all of those raised areas of the hair. His face was also a little bit too dark now, so I grabbed Dwarven skin and brought up all of those raised features. Finishing off, I add some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Grayson. It was a nice easy mini to start off this Dead West box. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want to take a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.